Hi there everyone, it's Luke here from LSW Audio. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today is part 2 of the sound demo of the Wharfedale EVO x215s from Wharfedale Pro. So cool, so in part 1 I was explaining the specs and how I found the quality of them, which they are absolutely amazing. But just one or two things I just want to add is I forgot to mention it's a 1.75 inch tweeter. Okay. And another thing is I want to get into more depth on the boost switch. So when I said, when I boosted them, I just said it sounded a little bit more harsh and all of that, but I want to get into a bit more detail of how it really was. So it took away of the warmth of the speakers. It took away a little bit of that super low in kick, but it was still quite deep. And it made the tweeter sound a tad bit harsh. It wasn't as detailed. So it sounded like artificially you boosting the speaker. It didn't sound as nice. It wasn't as musical if you listen carefully. So that's why it's not really worth boosting them, because they sound absolutely brilliant the way they are. There's no need to boost them if you need it to be. So anyway, that's just the small things I wanted to add, but you can check out part 1 if you haven't seen it already. But cool, let's come over here and let's quickly play a quick song, just to more or less hear how they sound. So cool, let's do it.
Feel the sky, feel the soul of sea. Feel the smell of burning me. Feel the fly, feel the world of me. Feel how your soul inspires me.
Cool everyone, thanks. Just something small, just to more or less hear what they sound like. So cool, thanks again for tuning into the channel. Cool, LSW Audio out.